Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and be successful in this digital era. My name is Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're exploring an exciting and innovative field. Yes, robotics engineering.
That's right, in this episode we will delve into what robotics engineering entails, why it is crucial in today's tech landscape, the benefits of mastering this skill, and how you can learn it here at Bismarck Technologies.
Now, what is robotics engineering? Robotics engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on construction, operation, design, and general use of robots. It combines principles from mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science to create machines that can perform tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously.
Exactly. Robotics engineers develop everything from industrial robots used in manufacturing to autonomous drones and service robots, transforming various sectors.
Importance of robotics engineering. In our rapidly evolving technological world, robotics engineering plays a vital role in enhancing productivity and efficiency. Now, robots can perform repetitive tasks with precision, reducing human errors and freeing humans for more complex duties.
Absolutely. Robotics is also crucial for exploring areas that are hazardous for humans, such as disaster response and deep sea exploration.
Benefits of learning robotics engineering. Learning robotics engineering equips you with a skill set that is in high demand in almost every industry. You will gain expertise in programming, system integration, and automation, all of which are essential in creating advanced robotic systems.
More so, robotics engineering fosters creativity and innovation, allowing you to work on groundbreaking projects that can significantly impact our daily lives.
How to learn robotics engineering at Bismarck Technologies. At Bismarck Technologies, we offer a comprehensive course on robotics engineering training programs that covers essential topics such as product design, programming, control systems, and automation technologies.
Our hands-on training approach means you get to work on real-world robotics projects, enabling you to apply your skills and build a strong portfolio that showcases your capabilities to potential employers.
Now, let's talk about career opportunities in robotics engineering. With a background in robotics engineering, you can pursue various career paths such as robotics engineer, automation engineer, control system engineer, or even a research scientist.
The demand for skilled robotics professionals is growing rapidly, leading to competitive salaries and exciting job opportunities across diverse sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, and aerospace.
Now let's talk about career opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, the robotics sector is expanding, with more industries indicating interest in automating tasks and enhancing productivity. This growth has led to an increase in the demand for skilled robotics engineers.
Internationally, robotics engineering skills are highly sought after, providing numerous opportunities for remote work and collaboration with global teams on innovative projects.
Now, why should someone learn robotics engineering? Learning robotics engineering empowers you with the skill set to be at the forefront of technological advancements, contributing to solutions that can revolutionize industries and improve lives.
With Bismarck Technologies hands-on training, you will gain the confidence and expertise needed to thrive in this dynamic and exciting field. If you're ready to embrace your journey in robotics engineering, check out Bismarck Technologies training program. This could be your gateway to successful career in tech.
Thank you for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye.